Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -3. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about a rational function, rational functions consist of numerator and the denominator, a over b, let's say. And the vertical asymptote is related to denominator. So therefore, you must have an expression in the denominator for the specific question. When you solve it for x by making it equal to 0, you should get -3. So what that would be, x plus 3, when I make it equal to 0, take away 3 from both sides, I get -3. So this is what they were mentioning in the question. So that's why when you're solving this question, we're going to look at the choices. And we will look for the denominator with x plus 3 in it. So choice A, when you look at it, we don't have x plus 3 in here. Choice B, we don't have x plus 3. Choice C, we don't have x plus 3 either. So, but the choice D, we have x plus 3 in here. These x plus 2's canceling each other out. So finally this becomes x minus 5 over x plus 3. So the correct answer is choice D for this specific question then. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.